Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the most perfect vanity for my bathroom.
Meet your new beauty command center, the DAMCROP Fluted Vanity Desk. It's a stunning 44-inch wide piece designed to transform your getting ready routine. It has a 32-inch HD mirror that has built-in adjustable lighting that just gives the perfect glow. I love how it is perfect for when I'm doing my makeup, my skincare, or even my hair. It is just so elegant with this fluted panel design and this glass top surface, and two clear top drawers to help you organize your jewelry and accessories. I did a little bit of customizing for mine with my lipstick collection, and it is the perfect thing. I love that it has power built right in. So I was able to plug in and have two regular outlets plus two USB ports so I can charge all of my little skincare devices, my phone, and plug my hair tools in while I sit. It's got five drawers, three open shelves, and a movable tray, and it fits all of my beauty care items. Now I finally have this beautiful upgraded space in my bathroom, and I'm obsessed.
I feel like this vanity has it all and then some. It is the most perfect thing for my newly remodeled bathroom. I am so happy with it, and that's my point of view.